Hindi ko marunong mag-English, guys. Huwag niyo na lang akong i-bash. Okay? Okay, so for today's video is we learn how to speak Filipino language. So, I am a Filipino. No need for me to do that. But actually, guys, I'm not fluent in speaking English. So, don't bash me. Charot. So, the first word that we need to learn is the word good morning. So, that is the English, right? Good morning. Good morning, sir. So, we focus the word good morning. So, good morning in Tagalog, magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Aww. In Bisaya, we say maayong buntag kanatong tanan. We say maayong buntag. So, ayan Bisaya, we say this maayong buntag, Pilipinas. We say maayong buntag. Maayong buntag. So, next word is good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you? Just kidding. So, good afternoon. In Tagalog, we say magandang tanghali, Pilipinas. Magandang tanghali. Magandang tanghali. Magandang tanghali. So, in Bisaya, guys, we say maayong hapon kanatong tanan. We say maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon, Pilipinas. We say maayong hapon. So, next word is good evening. Good evening, sir, ma'am. So, we say good evening. Good evening. So, in Tagalog, they say magandang gabi. Magandang gabi, bayan. They say magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. So, in Bisaya, of course, guys, we say maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Yes, we say that. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi, Pilipinas. So, we say maayong gabi. Maayong gabi, sir. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. So, that's how we greet other people, guys. Kung Bisaya. Because I am Bisaya. So, Tagalog people, yeah, they say about magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang tanghali. So, in Bisaya, guys, we say maayong buntag kanatong tanan, guys. So, we say maayong buntag. So, maayong udto, maayong hapon, maayong gabi. So, I hope, guys, you'll learn a little bit Filipino language.